Okay, this is lead number 1 for someone else's cat. I'm going to show you it broken out a little bit, just the notes, and then we'll talk about the durations and what we do with them for there. Your first note is E right here. It's 3 beats, and then you go to the C, E, and then A for 2 beats, and then C for 2 beats. Back to E, 1, 2, 3, G, E, F, E, D, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. One more time. 2, 3, 1, 2, and 2, 3. And then we practice it like that for a long time. Well, once you get comfortable with it, then we start breaking it out into just 16th notes. So when you have 3 beats, 1, 2, 3 turns into 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a. Then when you go, you have 8th notes really, but like you're gonna 16th them up, so you double everything. C, C, E, E turns into, right? 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a C, C, E, E, A, C. And then when you start looking at the half notes, which I skipped over a little bit, 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a. Your whole first part turns into 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then you have the fast part on the other part. So you have this G, G, E, E, and you got your F. So your F is going to be kind of weird, but you have almost 2 whole beats. So you have taka, teya, taka, and then you have your E, E, D, D. That's the tough part at the very end. There's your part. That's what it sounds like. Take it from that, and we speed it up over and over, and we get it really quick, and then we'll see how fast we want to play it during rehearsal. I'll try to put up another video of layering the parts together and doing it approximately at the speed we want, but I want you to practice it slow like this first.